Good morning kids, welcome to your Mod 3 maths class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, today we will write numbers name on our maths copy. So, let's open maths copy. Here are the numbers names. Write numbers name from 51 to 59. Students, हम जो है वो 1 से लेके 50 तक ऑलरेडी नंबर्स नेम मेमोराइज कर चुके हैं. Let's revise. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10, 10, ELEVEN11, TWELVE12, THIRTWN13, FOURTWN14, FIFTWN15, SIXTWN16, SEVENTWN17, EIGHTWN18, NINETWN19, TWENTY20. स्टूडेंट्स 20 की स्पेलिंग सेम एंड 21 to 29 तक सेम स्पेलिंग आएंगी. 1 2 सेम. 20 की स्पेलिंग लिखकर हमने जो है वो 1 to 9 सेम स्पेलिंग्स लिखेंगे तो सेम होगी. 29 what comes after 29? 30 THIRTY 30 और फिर ऐसे ही 31 to 39 सेम. 40 FORTY 40. 39 के बाद क्या आता है? 40 FORTY 40 एंड देन 50 FIFTY 50. FIFTY 50. Now kids, write numbers name from 51 to 59. Let's start. 51. Students, first letter is always capital. F I F T Y 50. ONE1 51. 52. FI F T Y 50. 2. TWO2. Students, first letter is always capital and touch your writing with line. 53. FIF TY 50. THREE 53. 53. Now 54. Write here the spelling of 54. FIF TY 50. FOUR 54. 55. FIFTY 50. FIVE 55. 56. FIF TY 50. SIX 56. 57. FIF TY 50. SEVEN 57. Dear students, 57. Now come to next page. Here's the number 58 and here 59. 59. Write here the spelling of 59. 59. Oh, 58. Here's the 58 number. FIFTY 50. EIGHT 58. And now 59. FIFTY 50. NINE 59. Now kids, it's your turn to write numbers name 51 to 59 on your maths copy. Allah Hafiz.